what is new in this program? So hash table is a, and don't forget, this is a peculiar class where second word also starts with small letter. That you have to remember. Even I have done mistake in couple of earlier classes. I have gone wrong with this. I did not remember which class, but because sometimes we forget. But if I am in constant touch for the very next batch, I may not forget. Within 1 month, I cannot forget. But after 2 3 months, I may forget again. So the thing is that this is a rare class where second word also starts with small letter. Rare. You can remember such rare classes. Rare to forget also. Right. So hash table is a collection class. It belongs to map interface. Map is an interface. Set is an interface. List is an interface. In those interfaces, these collection classes are present. So hash table is a predefined collection class. You can create object for that. It can hold some elements, but I told you add will not work from here onwards. Maps does not allow add method. I will write here a comment, you can understand. Maps does not allow add method. Place of add, use place of add, use put method. Put is the method. That is reference. Add works in sets and lists. It works in sets and lists. Okay, that is about that. So using put method, how to put, what is that HT? Object. Whose object? Hash table object. In that object, you are putting some data. Now again, I did not made any comment. You can answer this. What is this? Directly you can ask me, sir, why you have taken that new integer? What is that new typical code? Directly you can put Gavaskar score 172. Why you have done like that? You may ask me. What is my answer? You can guess. What is the answer? Yes, tell me fast.
Primitive data type.
So primitive data types are not allowed. 172 means primitive type. Directly you cannot put. So put is a parameterized method. You can pass two arguments. One is string. You can pass the name like that. And the other one is any data you can put, but not primitive type. Only advanced type allowed. So 172 is converted into integer, advanced type of data. Who will do that? In the last program, I told you, I made a comment, right? So whenever you
Construct.
create
Yes.
object, yeah, parameterized constructor will be invoked. 172 will be passed to that, and its shape is changed to integer, advanced. That's it. And then he's no more. I think this guy died with cancer, and his score also I have added. Very childhood players. These are all. Javad Mianda 155, David Gower 175, Richards 165. So some data is there. That is not the issue. You can take any player, any data, no problem. So after that, player names I am displaying. Player names I am displaying. How to display? I am calling keys method. There is a method called as keys, non-static method in hash table. So hash table object, that is ht dot keys, and enumeration is an interface. Okay, E is the reference to that. And with the help of E, what I am doing, see, while, don't forget, you are generating keys here. Keys are generated. If you call keys, keys will be generated. Keys are important. No, keys will be generated. Right. So has more elements. E dot has more elements. If elements are there, you have to remember this method. Okay, there is chance of forgetting. Even when I come to class, I used to remember that, because we cannot remember some methods all time. Just for a while you can remember and leave it. In interview also they won't ask that. Don't worry about this. Only in real time you can collect from API. That's it. But keys you have to remember. This you have to remember, but this you can neglect. You can say some method is there. Nobody will ask you anyways those things. You can collect. but read line, that you should know, and the style of doing things, this you should know, right? So while e dot enumeration reference we have created, and with the help of that you invoke keys method, right? And with the help of that enumeration reference, e dot has more elements. You invoked a method has, if really elements, just like has next, has previous, this also works. But here, no next, no previous, has more elements. If elements are there, you get inside. Yeah, say how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements are there. Fine. Got inside. It will display element by element. First element, Sunil Gavaskar will come, followed with only their names will come, and followed with Crow, Meander, Gover, Richards. And then, you know, you are going to accept data. Generally, in cricket or any hockey or any game, they just type the name, they will get score. Is it not? Something like that. So enter player name. You just type the player name, you will get his score. So how it is done, so from you are accepting data from keyboard. See, enter player name, but you have to type as it is. Spelling mistake should not be there. If it is case sensitive also. If you have taken like this as it is, you have to type. So if you type as it is, including cases correctly, whenever cap is there, cap you have to type. Whenever small is there, small you have to type. Small letter you have to type. So if you type like that, what will happen? Read line method will read string, directly put inside name, then starts the story. His score, which we stored here, that is going to come out with the help of key. So get the name, get method will get the name which you type, for example, you type Martin Crow, so Martin Crow will be present here. And ht dot get, that is converted into, because you generated keys, no, that this is the key actually. With the help of that key, you are able to retrieve the data present in that. So keys you have generated, and you displayed all those keys. You take one key, just like lab keys, in your college so many departments are there: mechanical, civil, electrical, computer science, AIML, right? So you take and labs are there proportionately. If you take triple E lab key, you can open triple E lab. If you take mechanical lab key, like that. So all keys are generated, very important. And then whenever you type, keys are nothing but names we displayed, right? And just pick one key, one name, and type, so that its corresponding value will be retrieved and put inside score. Got it? Keys will be generated. Keys are nothing but, I will write here, you can understand. Keys are nothing but of will be generated. Keys will be generated. And values are the scores. Whereas values are the scores. Now you can understand. Whereas scores, corresponding scores. Right. Now that name as a key is taken. Key is picked here with the key. Help of key. With the key. What is key? Name. Right? Get the corresponding value. What is value? Score. Got it? Yes. So you are getting that names corresponding score, but score you should convert into typecasting is there. Integer wrapper class. Right? Because 172 it cannot take. That's why you converted that the corresponding value and put inside score. If score is not null, yes, it is not null, some score is there, 172 is there. So it will convert that into integer. Again, it has to be converted into integer. For that, into value will convert that into integer. The score is converted into integer. I will put a comment, you can understand. Score is advanced type. No, score in advanced type is again converted into integer, primitive type, primitive within bracket int, and display it. Got it? this and display it. So that is the meaning of this. So I'll do one thing, just 1 second. Comments generally we write just before doing that. Always adjacently. Right. It's nice. So value, that value score dot into value, that's corresponding value will be converted into integer and put in, because see left hand side it is int, because you can display only primitive types, not advanced types, is it not? Advanced is official, but when coming out its format again should be normal format which we can understand, that is primitive basic, only basics we can understand, right? So again using int value method, that score is converted into primitive type of data SC, and the same SC is displayed. So name is nothing but Sunil Gavaskar, that is the key. Scored or Martin Crowe, scored SC is his corresponding runs, 200 runs, that's it. If I type any other name, if I type Imran Khan, you'll get else is nothing but player not found, that's it. Got it? So we'll try this. I guess you understood. JSE space Hashtable. You type some name. It is showing all keys. How? Because I have generated keys, keys method I called, and then I used has more elements. Next element, all elements are displayed one after another, but order is different. Okay, no problem. You pick any name out of that, but intentionally I am writing wrong spelling. M small letter I am doing. Is it case sensitive or not? I am testing. Oh, player not found, because it is case sensitive. We should do it correctly. Now I'll go with correct spelling. Got it? 165 runs. True. That's what I have given, I think. Yes, perfect. Perfectly executed. So you put any amount of data, just type the key, you'll get score. I mean value. Got it? Any doubts in this? So the key is going to be the highlight of this program. And you can retrieve keys with the help of enumeration. Enumeration is an interface. With the help of enumeration, you can retrieve keys. I will put a comment, you can understand. Enumeration is an interface. With the help of that, enumeration, and retrieve keys. Okay, that is about that. That is the highlight of the program. Then nothing great. And one more important thing is you should know, you have to reconvert that into primitive type. For that, into value is the method. I made a comment here. Score is advanced type, is again converted into primitive type and displayed. Any doubts? Please ask me how it is organized. Just simple if else. If it is not null, then only you can display. If it is not available, how can you display? Only key is there, no value. Then how come you can display? Got it? Any doubt? Please ask me. First of all, code may be looking little bit bigger, but it is not really, because put is a method, a simple method, parameterized, a couple of arguments. One is key, the other one is value. Key values are passed. Put method, keys and values are passed, and you are retrieving keys. Dot keys. First one is key always, like that. Got it? Shall I move to the next one? Last one, that is collection framework, last one. Any doubt? Did you understand? Have a close look at the program. Any doubt anywhere? Hmm? Got it? Any doubt?
Yes,
Please let me know. I can't hear.
yes, sir.
Okay, right. Next, telephone directory we will do. With that, I am closing this collection framework. That also, okay, only couple of programs. No, HashMap only one is there. Right, correct one that is. So this is HashMap. Don't take HashMap. It is predefined class. So HashMap demo I have taken. I think you can understand up to here. No issue at all. IO package is the additional thing, the additional package which I imported. So whenever you import IO package, you normally throw by using throws class. You can throw IO exception, and then using throws class, and then create collection class object. HashMap is my collection class right now. I have created object for that, and then you know this lengthy statement, nothing to talk about that. And then couple of strings I have taken. Str name, telephone directory. In olden days, telephone directories were there, no? Normal landline telephone directories. So we are creating that. String name str. Long type of data also we are. It is a wrapper class. In wrapper classes, I never used long, but here we are using that. Wrapper class, long. Got it? Advanced type of data. Wrapper class. We have done only three wrapper classes: integer, character, and other one I do not remember. What is that? Integer, character, and one more program I told. What is that? Is it float? No, no, no. Integer I told. Character I told. The byte I told. And now we are seeing long also. Okay. So I have created one reference to that wrapper class variable, reference variable. While true, forcibly allowed inside. True means get inside, door open. So some messages are displayed, simple, nothing, right? And inside while switch case is also kept. One for enter enter entries into phone book. Two for lookup. Three for exit. First you have to enter Shravan his phone number like that. Deepak his phone number. Meghana his her phone number like that. You have to enter all the phone numbers first, and then look up in the phone book. One of them will become key. Maybe name. If I type Shravan, immediately I should get Shravan's phone number. All Siddhartha students' numbers are there. For example, in my mobile, I can write a small program like this, putting all your numbers and names. If I want to pick any, if I know only name, I can't remember your mobile numbers. If I type Shravan, I'll get his mobile number. I can make a call like that. Very simple. You can use for your routine daily applications also. You can store your friends' names like this. You can make a small directory, right? So this is simple. Enter a number picking from the above info. Enter a number. So you type one naturally. First time you have to insert all the names and mobile numbers. So one I'm going to type. One is accepted as a string by readline, converted into integer and put inside n. And then expression value is one because I typed one. Case one will be executed. Very simple case. See, enter name. I entered Shravan. Shravan is read and put inside name. Name is of type string. Is it not? And then what is the next job? Enter phone number. I type Shravan's phone number. 10 digits. Because long, I have taken phone number long type. It will take that and put in that. You need not do anything. Just call put method, just like we have done in previous program of cricket match, right? Cricket scores. In a similar way, put is a method. Two arguments I am passing. One is key, other one is value. This is value, this is key. Got it? Name is a string, is it not? In the previous program, I have passed Sunil Gavaskar, Martin Pro, etc., Vivian Richards, like that, and David Gover. They are all strings. That's why directly I have hard coded in that program. Directly I kept in double quotes and given. But in this program, now I'm entering everything, Shravan, Deepak, everybody through keyboard. And the same reference the string name is, string reference is name. I am passing name, that is key, and the value, that is phone number. and then it will do. You need not do any definition for put. It is predefined. Just invoke that, just call that with the object hashmap hm dot put. It will it will go there. It will be stored in the database. Next, I will go with Deepak. Again, I type one. Again, I will take case one, because while is true, no, as long as you type one, you will be inside. As long as you type two, also you will be inside. But as long as you type three, yes, return, carries return, totally exiting from switch case. And in between, just like in yesterday's program, somewhere I told you na, this strategy. At every incident, it is updating your data. When I updated first time Shravan, it will say only Shravan's data, his name and mobile number. Next time, when again I type to case one, I have gone with a Deepak. It is showing Shravan as well as Deepak's information, both their names and mobile numbers. Next time, the other one, like that. Then I start typing two. After I entered all your data, five students are there, four are there, including me, five are there. Or let us say four are there right now. So four students, four mobile numbers I have inserted, and means four times I have gone with case one. I type one, 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 four times. First time one, Shravan, next Deepak, next Naina, next Supriya, next, who is the other one? Shivkumar. That's it. Four. Four done. Next, I started retrieving. So how to retrieve? I typed Deepak. Deepak is not there in the class. I want to make a call to him. I just type Deepak. Just Deepak. That's all. Read line will read it and put in name. And Deepak is not a value. It is a key. Get value. Get is a method. That name will be sent and a key will be generated. Here keys method is not required. Using HashMap, that is the advantage. No keys internally generated, no problem. Whatever you put first, that is the key. So you pass that and convert that into long, because your mobile number will be in long type, advanced type of data. That will be converted and put in phone number. Phone number is long, right? And then directly you can display also. Phone number, where is phone number? Yeah, long type, you can directly display. You need not convert into integer also in this hash map. So you can display that and come out of that like that. So I will execute this. You can understand little adjustments. Hash map is bit easier than hash table. We'll create one directory. I'll do one thing. We're just exceeding 1 hour. Let me complete this program and close collection frame. All right. Now let me ask, enter your choice. I'm going with one. I'll complete within 5 minutes. One, enter name. Mobile number 9999. Let it be 9 or 10 digits, whatever it is, no problem. Got it? Shravan. Data. Every time it is updating my information because of this statement out of switch case, but not out of while. Don't forget. Now, let me pick again one and go with Deepak. That's why I'm typing like that. Yes, both of their numbers and their data is there clearly. This time again, let me go with one more and right, and enter in them. Again, I go with one. Say the other one. Say 555. ఇండియాలో ఇవే ఉంటాయి నెంబర్లు అంతేనా? మీకు తెలిసింది చెప్పండి ఇంకేమన్నా. ఇండియాలో వరకు 9 ఉంటుంది, 8 ఉంటుంది, 7 ఉంటుంది, 5 ఉంటుంది. I did not remember correctly. 5 are there. All of them came. One more, last one. Shiva. ఏమిద్దాం ఈయనకి నెంబర్ అన్ని కలిపిద్దాం. 98759. Right. Remember, go 5. All of your information is there. So I want Deepak's number immediately. So I'll go with 2. Type. Spelling should be careful. You should write carefully. As it is, you have to write. Because you are displaying hundreds of names and their mobile numbers. How can you search them? Only 4 are there, I can easily search, but 100 are there or 1000 are there. How can you search? You cannot search. That's why just simply type the name Deepak. And the name Deepak. Just a minute. Oh, it's stuck. Where is that? Yeah. Got it? 4 number. Yeah, Deepak's number I got. Like that. I type Shiva. Shiva. Shiva is there. Oh, I have typed 1 na. I have typed number na. That's where I went wrong. So that's how I have typed 2 here again. Na? I forgot. Again, you have to compile and add all those things. It will be lost, na? Temporary bit. There is no database here, is it not? It's lost. You can see here again. It will ask you. If I say 2, enter name, no Shravan, nothing. It's gone. Because database is not there. Temporary basis. Spelling is correct? Right. No, null. It is saying null. Very Shravan. No, it's not there. It is saying. Like that, all of your data gone. Because there is no database, temporary basis. If you can make use of JDBC, that will come in your advanced Java. That's why it is very important. Without database, what can you do with this? These are all standalone applications. No backend. Backend means database. Already you know database. And how to link these two, you are going to learn in Java database connectivity, JDBC. Got it? So with this, shall I close for today? Any doubts, please ask me. And finally, miscellaneous topics are there, call by value, and then object class, and then few more things like that. Enumeration is there. Enumeration I have to explain separately. Separate topic is there. Enumeration here also, like that. Miscellaneous topics, 5 to 6 small issues are there. I will close within 2 to 3 classes. Okay. We can
Sir,
accept.
detention unda, sir?
What is it?
Detention unda, sir?
Into the detention.
Yes, sir.
ఏం డిటెన్షన్?
Attendance లేకపోతే.
అదే మీ అడగండి కాలేజీలో ఒకసారి. ఎందుకు? మీకు
ఏమో
ఉంటుంది కదా.
సార్ ఉంది అన్నారు, అందుకని అడుగుతున్నా.
నేను అసలు ఇంటర్ఫియర్ కాదు. సబ్జెక్ట్ తప్ప నాకేమి ఎవరు ఎక్కడికి పోయినా నేను ఇన్వాల్వ్ గా. నా స్ట్రాంగ్ పాయింట్ లోనే నేను ఉంటాను. మిగతా పాయింట్స్ పోను. కావాలంటే అడిగి చెప్తాను. ఓకే, నాకు ఒకసారి రిమైండ్ చేయ. రేపు మా కాలేజీలో అడుగుతాను. అండ్ కాలేజ్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఏమైనా ఉంటుందేమో మరి, నాకు తెలియదు అది. అట్లయితే మా కాలేజీలో అడిగితే చెప్తారు కాబట్టి ఐ కెన్ ఆస్క్ ఇన్ మై